Hi guys, today I'm back with some more molds to test out. Now these ones are quite interesting. These are little doorknobs. So something a little bit different from earrings. So they've all got a different pattern in them, which is quite nice. So I thought I might try a couple of different glitters in them. Now the pack also came when I ordered it off AliExpress with some actual silver knobs there and the screws. So let's see how these guys turn out. So the first glitter I'm going to try is Rose Gold from Glitter Overload. That's sort of like a brownish one. Which one should I do the brown one in? Maybe this one. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the silver holographic glitter. This glitter is a rose quartz holographic glitter, so I might put it, let's go this one. Okay, and the final one, I've just added a few drops of a magenta ink, so it's made it quite a pink. I just thought maybe we should just see what that would turn out like as well. So, right. Now, I will probably let them cure for a week, but probably at least 48 hours, and I will be back to show you what they look like. Okay, it's been, I think it's been a week. I haven't got back to them, but it's time to see what these little doorknobby things that I won't have any use for really, because I don't have any drawers that I need knobs on at the moment, but let's see what the patterns have turned out. So this one was the ink. Oh wow. It has turned out super nice. Wow, okay. So that's that one. This one was the little sort of square shaped one. Again, really nice. Okay, so this one. Doesn't want to come out. Coming. There we go. Put that one back out. Okay, wow. So that's kind of sort of the same sort of beveling as this one, but this one's more rounded, this one's more square. Wow, very nice. And the last one. This one is also round. it's got little tiny beveling in it. Oh, it's so nice. That one would look nice too, I think, if you went with a clearer ink like this one. But anyway, if you're looking for little drawer handle knobs, then give these molds a go, guys. And I'll catch you next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye.